Welcome back to another day at Topcast. Today we are going to talk about effective time-saving hacks for busy professionals. In today's fast-paced world, time is a precious resource, and finding ways to optimize it can significantly improve productivity and work-life balance. As busy professionals, we often juggle numerous responsibilities, leaving little room for inefficiencies. This video aims to present 10 practical and proven time-saving hacks that can help you reclaim valuable hours in your day. By implementing these strategies into your routine, you can enhance productivity, reduce stress, and find more time for activities that truly matter. Let's dive into these time-saving hacks and take control of our schedules. Prioritize tasks with the Eisenhower matrix. The Eisenhower matrix, also known as the urgent important matrix, is a time management technique that categorizes tasks based on their urgency and importance. Divide your tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Focus on completing tasks in the urgent and important quadrant first, as these demand immediate attention. Next, tackle tasks in the important but not urgent quadrant, as these contribute to long-term goals. By prioritizing effectively, you can focus on tasks that align with your objectives and avoid wasting time on trivial matters. Embrace the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule is a simple but effective time-saving hack. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. Responding to short emails, organizing your workspace, or making a quick phone call can prevent these small tasks from piling up and becoming a time-consuming burden. Embracing the 2-minute rule helps maintain efficiency throughout the day and prevents procrastination. Utilize time blocking. Time blocking is a highly effective time management technique that involves breaking your day into specific blocks of time dedicated to particular tasks or activities. By assigning predetermined time slots for various responsibilities, you create a structured schedule that helps you stay focused and organized throughout the day. Time blocking allows you to prioritize tasks, allocate sufficient time for each, and prevent distractions from derailing your productivity. This method promotes efficient workflow, minimizes procrastination, and fosters a sense of accomplishment as you complete tasks within their designated time frames. Embracing time blocking as a daily practice can lead to improved time management, reduced stress, and a greater sense of control over your schedule and priorities. Delegate and outsource. Delegate and outsource are 2 powerful strategies that busy professionals can utilize to optimize their productivity and focus on high-impact tasks. Delegating involves entrusting specific responsibilities to capable team members or colleagues who possess the necessary skills and expertise. By sharing the workload, you can free up valuable time and concentrate on tasks that align with your strengths and core competencies. On the other hand, outsourcing involves seeking external assistance for non-core activities or specialized tasks. Outsourcing can be beneficial for tasks that are time-consuming or require expertise not readily available within your organization. By delegating and outsourcing effectively, you can streamline your workflow, increase efficiency, and ensure that all aspects of your work are handled competently, ultimately leading to improved performance and success in your professional endeavors. Adopt the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that involves working in focused intervals, typically 25 minutes, followed by a short break. After completing 4 consecutive work intervals, take a more extended break. This technique enhances concentration and prevents burnout by breaking tasks into manageable chunks. It's an excellent strategy for staying productive while avoiding mental fatigue. Limit meeting times and go virtual. Limiting meeting times and opting for virtual meetings are essential practices to enhance productivity and time management for busy professionals. By setting specific time limits for meetings, you create a sense of urgency and encourage participants to stay focused on the agenda. Shorter, more efficient meetings allow attendees to allocate more time to other tasks and responsibilities. Additionally, embracing virtual meetings through video conferencing platforms offers numerous benefits. Virtual meetings eliminate the need for commuting, saving valuable time and reducing the associated stress. They also enable greater scheduling flexibility, allowing participants from different locations to collaborate seamlessly. Embracing virtual meetings not only saves time and resources, but also promotes a more eco-friendly and sustainable approach to conducting business. By limiting meeting times and going virtual, professionals can make the most of their schedules and foster a more productive work environment. Embrace automation and technology. Embrace technology and automation tools to streamline repetitive tasks. Use scheduling apps for appointments, task management software to organize workflows, and email filters to prioritize messages. Automating these processes reduces manual effort and allows you to focus on more critical aspects of your work. Minimize distractions. Identify common distractions in your work environment and take steps to minimize them. Silence unnecessary notifications, create a designated workspace, and communicate with colleagues about focused work hours. Limiting distractions helps maintain productivity and allows you to accomplish tasks more efficiently. Practice the 1-minute rule for organization. The 1-minute rule involves addressing organizational tasks that take less than a minute to complete immediately. Whether it's filing documents, organizing your desktop, or tidying up your workspace, taking a minute to maintain order prevents clutter and saves time in the long run. Learn to say no. Learning to say no is a crucial skill for busy professionals who seek to manage their time effectively and protect their boundaries. Often, there are numerous demands on our time, both professionally and personally, and saying yes to every request can lead to overwhelm and burnout. By confidently saying no to tasks or commitments that do not align with our priorities or values, we create space for the things that truly matter. Saying no is not about being unhelpful or uncooperative, it's about setting clear boundaries and being intentional with our time and energy. Learning to say no allows us to focus on tasks that contribute to our goals and well-being, leading to greater productivity, reduced stress, and a healthier work-life balance. Congratulations! You've discovered 10 effective time-saving hacks for busy professionals that can revolutionize your productivity and work-life balance. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can optimize your time, reduce stress, and create space for personal growth and meaningful activities. Remember, consistency and discipline are key to making these hacks successful. Start implementing them today, and watch as your efficiency and effectiveness soar to new heights. Thank you for joining this video, and may your newfound time management skills lead you to greater success and fulfillment in both your professional and personal endeavors.